Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing for sale. 4-bedroom house and lot with sea view near Tagbilaran City and located in Maribohukbol. The package price is 12 million pesos negotiable. So, pwede pa mahangyo. Pwede pa manegosyate. So, this is the house, guys. Then, the road has 4 meters wide cement or 4 meters wide cement road right of way from the highway up to the property and vice versa. So very nice. So aside from that, guys, there is also additional house which is 48 square meters with 1 bedroom. So that is a guest house. So ito po yung bahay, guys. That's the house, no? As you can see, it is really overlooking sea view facing Tagbilaran City and Panglao Island. So, yan po. Lot area is 252 square meters and floor area is 210 square meters. 12 million pesos negotiable. So, maganda to, guys. At least, no, hindi ka na magkuha ng mga no hassle na anymore because hindi ka na magkuha ng mga building permit kasi medyo talaga stricto na ngayon. Then as you can see, no, it's overlooking. So yung kalsada, guys, going to the property is not really hindi pa masyadong maganda, pero pinaano yan noong unang panahon ng may-ari, tinarbaho yan, may binakho yan, yung bakho yun. So bumalik tayo sa itaas at dito na po tayo sa property. So may face pan sila, no? May maliit na face pan. Parang parang katuwaan lang. But actually, guys, there's still a big portion of the property that can be converted into a swimming pool. Ito po yun, no? Ito. So pwede mo yan i-convert ng swimming pool. Kasi maganda talaga dyan, guys. Ang sitwasyon lang kanina kasi medyo gabi na. Pero kasi gabi na rin dumating yung asawa ng foreigner. So this is owned by a foreigner with a Filipina wife. So ito po yon. So overlooking talaga, no, ang property. So babalik kami siguro pag some other day na lang kasi busy busy siya. So ito po yun, no, open area pa rin. Ito po yung bahay. It was built last 2012. So it's more than 10 years na, guys. Or 24 it's 10 years na, no? 10 years na siya. 10 years na siya. Then as you can see, the house is really has a strong foundation. You know why? Because during the time of earthquake last 2013, it was not really damaged. So that is one of the best sign that the building is really have a good foundation, very strong. So yun po, maganda talaga ang location natin kasi po yun, pag gising mo, or for example if you are already at the house or the area, you can see the view, Panglao Island and Tagbilaran City. Okay. So yun po, no. Ito po yung ground floor. May isang room dito at dalawang CR. So sa ground floor there is one room like a master's kasi malaki din. At ito po yung sa labas, no, medyo may ano sila, may another kitchen. So a concrete kitchen also. Uh, hindi sabi na dirty, pero hindi matawag yan dirty kitchen kasi clean po na kitchen yan. So yun po, kay tayo dito mag tambay-tambay tayo dito, makita natin talaga yung dagat, no. It's really on overlooking. So how much more if you go to the second floor. So maganda talaga, just like an ideal for a retirement, or you can convert this into a resort, mountain resort. So pwede mo na lang dagdagan yan, gawin mo ng mountain resort, especially if you are from somewhere outside of the country or from Manila, gawin mo na lang na rest house. So ito po yun, maganda po talaga yung property natin. Sabi nila 12 million is ano po, pero alam nyo na yung mga materials natin ngayon medyo mahal na talaga. Yung 12 million para sa akin okay na yon. Pwede ka na lang ano na lang natin mayari, pag interested talaga tayo, mag-negotiate na lang. So ito po yung ang master's bedroom, no, sa maganda talaga, sa second floor. So may CR dyan, with CR, ayan po. So pag nandyan ka sa yung room sa masters, pagising mo, yan, makita mo talaga yung ano, dagat, yung Panglao at saka Tagbilaran. Tagbilaran City. Makikita mo dyan. Napakaganda talaga. Then yung kalsada, guys, medyo hindi pa masyadong na-develop, pero kung i-develop talaga natin yun, alam ko makapasok yung sasakyan natin. Pero kung magdala tayo ng sasakyan na tulad ng mga pick-up car, sigurado motor nakapasok nga eh. Pero mas mabuti siguro pag pag i-pave na lang, i-concrete road na lang, maganda. Hindi naman masyadong mahirap pasokin. Parang slightly lang naman. So ito po yung yung tatlong room, may common CR. So yun po. May dalawang CR pala. Sa labas, yung kasi powder room yung isa, may pwede maliligo tayo. So yan po. Parang common ang toilet and bath, except the masters. So bumalik tayo sa baba. Ito na po yun. Thank you.